Are you thinking about buying a house during this pandemic? If so, here is what to expect during the home buying process. Hello again, this is real estate broker Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors. Thanks for watching this video. According to the California Association of Realtors, this real estate market is more competitive than it ever has been before, fueled by low interest rates, low inventory, and high demand. Data shows that the three main reasons that buyers are buying homes are they are absolutely tired of renting. And as we know, the rents have gone through the roof over the last 5 years or so. They desire larger homes. Buyers are looking for larger homes currently, and they desire better locations. So if you're looking to buy a house in this COVID-19 pandemic era, here's what you can expect. Being pre-approved is an absolute must. If you come into the marketplace expecting to buy a house or looking at houses and you haven't been pre-approved, that is a major mistake. You're going to waste your time and the time of other people if they allow you to do that. Don't be surprised if your agent asks you to drive by the property and take a very good look at it to determine if you want to make an offer on the property subject to interior inspection. That happens all the time in this pandemic era. And if your offer is accepted, when you are allowed to view the interior of the property, don't be surprised when they tell you only the people whose names are on the purchase agreement will be allowed to see it. You won't be able to bring the uncle, the grandparents, the kids, etc., unless they are purchasers on the purchase agreement. Also, when you are allowed to see the interior of the property, prior to going inside of the property, you will need to sign a coronavirus pandemic risk document, or you may not be allowed in the property at all. Prior to viewing the property, you'll be asked to follow all CDC recommended guidelines, such as social distancing, such as wearing masks, possibly wearing gloves, not touching anything while you're inside of the property. In a lot of cases, the seller will be asked to leave the property so they can limit the number of persons that are walking through the property at the same time. In this marketplace, if you're going to have the winning offer, you need to expect to compete. There are multiple offers on many properties up for sale in this market. Buyers are paying $20,000 to $30,000 over asking price. And some are paying $20,000 to $30,000 over the appraisal value as well. Again, if you are the successful bidder, don't be surprised if it takes longer to close. That is not unusual right now because the coronavirus, the pandemic, has affected so many things in the home buying process. Also, don't be surprised if you are not allowed to attend the physical inspection. Most buyers like to be there when the home inspector they've hired is inspecting the property. But in this coronavirus pandemic, don't be surprised if you are not allowed to attend the physical inspection. Also, don't be surprised if your real estate agent is not allowed to attend the closing. I know that In my case, and I know a lot of other real estate agents, they like to attend the signing of the loan docs with the buyers because we know that the buyers sometimes have several questions and they prefer that their real estate agent is there. But in this coronavirus era, don't be surprised if your agent is not allowed to attend the closing. You can expect to do things electronically or digitally, if you will. You'll probably need to sign most of your documentation with the real estate agent digitally. You'll probably need to meet with agents, escrow people, and others via Zoom meetings, if not exclusively over the phone. The pandemic has changed the way real estate is practiced. So if you're going to come out here and compete, be prepared, be patient, and be ready. This pandemic has presented challenges to everybody in the home buying market and in the home buying process. So come strong or go home. If you've gotten value from this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. Thanks for watching this video.